Okay, there is a very exciting news from PUBG and for India that actually PUBG is gonna be back in the India. Well, but not in the form of PUBG form. I mean, it will be actually back in the form of Battleground India. And the development is obviously from the India, and there will be some of the themes in the game which will be indicating the Indian cultures, and I guess Indian because the poster indicates some of the elements of the India. For example, the color of its flag is being indicated in the poster of PUBG. Well, it is still not clear whether the game is still in the development or it has been developed already. Well, the launch date is still not clear, but in the upcoming days or maybe for around in the June or July, you can see PUBG and you can just pre-register right now as well. But personally, I can see the excitement of whole Indians. I mean, I am trying to access the website of PUBG, but still I'm not able to access the website. I mean, obviously there is a lot of traffic in the server of the PUBG. Well, since the game is being developed under full of governmental law and games law and other cyber security law, the governmental law, there won't be any kind of data piracy or any illegal activity related with your data, so there won't be any of the data piracy. Yeah, I just told. And yes, you might be thinking that this news is also a rumor, and there were actually many of the rumors about the PUBG that PUBG is not going to be launching in the India and PUBG is gonna come. But yes, it is actually the official news. Official thing has been done, and post related with the PUBG India has been removed from its Instagram account and Twitter account. I think to clear the past or to make the refreshed design or look, obviously it is needed by the Indian government. I mean, not Indian government, Indian game developers. Well, about the specifications, about the information of game, it is still not clear what kind of theme you are going to see. Obviously the theme will be of India, Indian culture, and there might be some of the dress. There will be the dress of Indian culture, I guess. Well, I'm not still clear and I can't be sure 100%. Well, it is still not clear whether you will be able to play with the international players or not, because since it is being developing or it is developed in the Indian, according to the Indian law, you might not be able to play with the international players because that is very much important with the data security. Obviously many of the YouTubers have already made video on this topic, and actually the news of this news is updated today, morning time around 8 o'clock, I guess. But I'm actually late for posting this video. And yes guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please make sure to hit the like button and also do subscribe to this channel. Share this with your friends and families, and if you have any kind of comments or any sort of confusion or any kind of feedback that you want to give to me, then please let me know in the comment section. And yes guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.